Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. It is going to be another product review video featuring some new Revlon products that I recently received. So shout out to Revlon for gifting these products to me to try and of course to share with you. So if you noticed, your girl has on makeup, but I'm missing one key component of this look, and that is my eyebrows. Now typically I do my eyebrows first when I'm applying my makeup, but for purposes of saving time in this video, I did not do my eyebrows because we are going to be reviewing some new eyebrow products from Revlon, and they sent these to me, so we're going to go through the process. I'm going to talk about what I like, what I don't like, and also do a quick eyebrow tutorial using these products. So if you want to see, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so like I said, I already have a full face of makeup on outside of my eyebrows, and the products, we're going to walk through 4 different products that Revlon sent, and this is a part of their Colorstay product line. So they sent these. We have, we'll walk through them individually, and they also sent like a pair of tweezers to help groom the brow. We have this is a brow pencil. We have a Colorstay brow lights. And this is kind of like a brow highlighter. And then finally in this product line we have a Colorstay brow creator, which is this one. So let's go ahead and get these brows on, because honey, you're not gonna be walking around here with no eyebrows on. So let's get into this product review. Okay, I'm trying to scoot closer here so you guys can get a close-up view, and then I have access to my mirror. So of course, if you need to groom your eyebrows, you can go ahead and do that by using the tweezers, and I don't think that I'm going to use the tip of the spoolie here. I don't necessarily think that I need to groom them too much or pluck them. Now typically I like to use my my tweezers. So it'd be interesting to see how these perform with just kind of grooming and like plucking those little hairs, those little stray hairs. Oh wow, it grabs them pretty quickly. Have a few little straggles of hair. These are heavy duty tweezers. If you look closely, you see it's kind of like bolted in there. They have like some additional. And then on the very end, you have, if you can look, you see that they're slanted. So it allows for better precision with plucking. And then you can also, you know, if you wanted to like pluck your brows like straight on, you know, you can pluck them straight on and pull the hair, or you can, and I mean, they grip really, really well actually. And it's pretty quick. Seems like you have more control versus maybe a needle, I guess like a needle nose tweezer as they call them. But I do like, I'm trying to just get it to where it focuses. Be careful, don't pull chunks of meat out, but overall they do pretty well as far as getting the hair out. Now honestly, I feel like, you know, too, if you're gonna have like a brow kit of some sort, like to make sure you have some sort of scissors as well, when you can snip like longer hairs, you know, you can brush them up and groom them more precisely. But of course, like I said, these tweezers do cover a good wide range as far as like pulling those stray hairs that are growing back. And I think we're gonna go ahead and use the let me see, they have 2 different ones. So the brow creator. Now I accidentally smashed the tip of this one because I was taking photos. So this is a brow pencil, and it's retractable. Like I said, it has a spoolie on one end, if you can see the spoolie there. And then here is the actual retractable, the color. And then we actually have a more precise one. Like I said, I smashed this, so don't judge, y'all, don't judge. I accidentally smashed it taking pictures. so it's kind of bent up. It also has a spoolie on the end. Here it is right here. It has a spoolie on one end, and then you have your tip. The other product up close is the brow lights, which I thought this was pretty cool. So you have like this little brush on the end there, you see that? And then you have here the actual highlight bar, and it's wide, so it's good. It's going to have a good range to cover your eyebrows, so underneath there. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to attempt to do my brows. This is not my typical routine. This is my first time using this product, so let's just hop right into it, okay? Okay, so I'm going to start with the Revlon Colorstay Brow Pencil, which is the one that has the angled tip on it here. And this is actually my color, so I want to start with, you know, basically filling in my brow as if I would, you know, if I was using my makeup brushes. I really do like how smooth and easy it is to apply the brow pencil, because I know with using products like I normally use, like a pomade, don't worry, we're gonna clean this up, but using a pomade, it takes a little bit longer to spread the product because clearly the product is a lot thicker. But I really do like how it just glides right across the hair. And you have more like control with shaping your brow how you want, or filling it in how you want. So it's a little thick, but we'll work that out. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the brow pencil and kind of fluff it out some, like get in those other little spots. So we're using the brow pencil, and I'm just going to kind of rub this in where it's still kind of sparse looking, just to make sure I have a good full coverage. And so I just have my concealer. I'm using like the Naked concealer, which is what I always use on my eyebrows, and I want to just shape these up. Actually, I'm going to start underneath. Now, of course, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. This is just what I typically like to do when I do my eyebrows. I like to have really clean edges. And another great thing about using concealer on your eyebrows is that if they get a little too thick or out of hand, or you don't like something about them when you're doing them, or you mess up, it allows you to kind of basically clean up the mess and kind of get that precision back in your eyebrows that you might be looking for. So I'm not, as you can see, I'm not using that much concealer because I'm not really trying to take too much away. I just want to clean up. Keep in mind, everybody's technique is different, so find whichever eyebrow technique is best for you. This is just my process. Has been my process for so long. Oftentimes I do like to try new tricks to switch it up, you know, just to kind of see. Then I will take my sponge and just blend this out. Okay, so next we're going to move on to the brow light. This is the eyebrow highlighter. Where'd it go? There we go, Revlon. And this is the one that has the little brush on the end and that brow highlight on the other end. So let's see how this is going to work. I love the shape. Now, I don't think I'm crazy about the fact, I don't know if you can see that it's way darker, but I'm assuming that's what this little brush is for. Just brush this highlight in. Blend this little dark for what I like to use. I'm supposed to get like a little subtle highlight under there. I don't know if you can see it. So basically this brow highlight has two tones to it. I'm gonna just kind of swatch on my hand here. On one side of it it's darker and on the other side it's lighter, so you have to be careful when you apply. On one end of the tip, I don't know if you can see, it's like more of a gold, and then on the other side is dark. So be sure that when you're applying, you're using the gold tip if you're looking for more of a lighter shimmer, and then take the little brush and just blend that in under your brow. Now I don't know if I'm crazy about this shade. Like I said, it's a little dark to go under my eyebrows. I prefer something a little lighter, so this probably wouldn't be a staple for me. However, I really do like these three, the tweezers, the Colorstay brow pencil, and then the Colorstay brow creator. So I like these three the most from the collection. So that is it, the eyebrow collection from Revlon. Eyebrows are done, face is complete. So thank you so much for Revlon for sending those products. Like I told you in the video, my favorites are the three products. Not crazy about the brow lights, it's just me personally, but definitely give it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and link all the products in the description box below for you if you're interested in purchasing those for yourself. As always, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video if you want to see more product reviews from me. And I guess we'll chat in the next video. Bye.